Hey there, Wall Street winners. It is Tuesday, March 11th, and we're coming to you with a bit of a midday update. Apologize for missing the morning setup video, but I wanted to touch upon just what's going on. So we've just heard from the president. He said because Ontario has implemented tariffs in retaliation to US tariffs, Ontario is a province in Canada, if you're not aware, just north of New York. Trump is doubling his tariffs on Canadian steel and aluminum. And his effort there is to basically put all Canadian auto workers and auto plants out of business. The interesting thing about this is very few of his inner cabinet seem to be aware of that. So that was it took a number of folks on his team by surprise with that tweet on Tree Social. But the companies he's about to put out of business or attempting, says he wants to put out of business, are all American car companies. So these are the likes of Ford, GM, and Chrysler, the three big ones that will go out of business. And that is apparently his goal. So seems to be a bit contradictory to wanting to make America great again and bring jobs back to the US if you're effectively going to put those companies out of business and they are the job producers or the organizations that provide the jobs. So, with that, obviously, the markets were doing fairly well this morning. They were better than in the past week or so, but now they've all turned into the red and they are dipping or dropping. We do have some positive news in the NASDAQ with some stocks. Some stocks have taken quite a big bump and a bit of a recovery. But again, this is a very, very moderate recovery. So we do not want to buy the dip here. This is still very risk on with the president being able to announce and enact tariffs within 24, 48 hours with no uh, no notice or no discussion ahead of time. It's just going to create more uncertainty and volatility. And that's what's pushing the US economy and the economies intertwined with it, the Canadian economy, possibly the Mexican economy, towards an economic downfall and recession. So I think we're going to see more losses. But if a stock is or a market is up today, it's an opportunity for you to buy a put if your account can use options or is enabled to use options. And a put allows you to basically buy this option instrument that says that you believe the market is going to go down. So if you look at the market itself, and let's take the NASDAQ as an example, the NASDAQ is at 17,367. You could buy a put that says, in 1 month from today, you believe the NASDAQ will be lower than 17,367. And if it is lower, that put should increase in value. So that's an option for you, no pun intended, to take in your investment strategy and money management strategy. I wish you all the best in your trades. Very uncertain times, so things are going to move erratically and based on tweets, if you will, or posts on Truth Social, sadly. So not a lot of economic news or reasoning behind it. In fact, often right now, the opposite. Things that statements that have been made on the campaign trail, the exact opposite is happening. Americans are becoming poorer, costs have gone up, jobs are dropping. So you're seeing the absolute reverse of MAGA right now in the US. Good luck in your trades, stay positive, and we'll talk to you again soon. If you like the videos, please hit the like and